Hey guys, today what I'm gonna do is actually slime. So it's by powder detergent, so it's gonna be awesome. So guys, what you guys need is 2 bowls, 1 spoon, and if you want, it's optional if you need a glove, you can include. If you don't want your hand to get it touched by the slime, you can use it, but so you need the main thing, which is glue and the powder detergent, cup of warm water. So let's get started. So first, what you want to do is actually take your powder detergent. I have no idea how to hold this thing. Take your spoon and just 1 tablespoon. 1 will do. You don't want a lot. So, yeah. So you don't want a lot, so just 1 tablespoon right there. And next you want to take your hot water. You want to pour it. Stir your powder thing properly. So it should be something like that. But you will want to put more because so once you are done with that, you want to take your slime. Take your slime. So put that aside, this side, leave it aside. Take this. Doesn't want to come. Okay, you know what I'm going to do is just take this thing out. Don't know how much you guys want, but just put it. Just hold on, guys. You want to pour more if you it's needed. If not, it's okay. You don't have to buy. Don't want to waste glue because it's very expensive to buy. One in some. I don't know wherever you guys are staying, but don't buy it because it's gonna be very expensive. Now what is gonna happen is I'm gonna pour this little by little. actually forming it. Yeah. In the kitchen. Yay, we did it. So now what we're gonna need is more glue. Just a little bit more if you feel that it's not working. Eventually my hand got wet, so yeah, so just keep on doing it until it is okay. Keep on kneading the thing because you don't want it to be, you made it a good one, so you don't want it to quickly spoil. So yeah, knead it properly guys, because you really don't want it to become a disaster once, you know what I mean. It's like, it's not really a good one, but you wanted a good one. So I'm gonna take this in my hand. So I'm gonna take a little. I'm just trying to use a bit more water. So it's exactly like that. The slime is supposed to be very jiggly. Very jiggly.